Electric hair clippers set for kids. BOLOLO Cordless by BOLOLO is one of the best sellers among baby hair clippers products. Easy to use, the BOLOLO First hair clippers is quiet when running, so the children no longer afraid. With accessories can simply let you master how to use self-haircut kit, and get the hair length you want. Special design, cordless and waterproof allow you to use this hair cutting set anywhere for kids. Save on haircuts and waiting time at the barbershop. High-capacity battery design can be charged once and used multiple times. Universal products, kids hair trimmer also available for pets and other family members. Adult hair is too hard and may get stuck in hair. Please charge the hair clipper and watch the instructions first, and use the brushes to clean the hair cutter head depending on the usage. As a gift, the kids' travel hair trimmer can be used as a holiday gift on Father's Day or Mother's Day to give your family or friends a closer relationship with family and friends. Note: dropping or impacting may damage the hair cutting machine. Please clean the unit after each use and put it back in the box. If there are other quality problems during use, please contact them and return.